Reversal Levels Indicator. Reversal Levels Core. RL Core. A global reversal levels indicator formed at major trend reversals. It highlights zones with high execution potential, compatible with all instruments, currencies, metals, indices, stocks, and crypto, suitable for both beginners and professionals. The indicator does not repaint and is designed for use on 2 or more timeframes. Higher timeframe analysis is displayed on the current chart to help identify optimal entry positions. The scanner and alerts assist in entering the most favorable and promising trades on time. Trade potential visualization helps traders make decisions without unnecessary stress. Fortunately for traders, a major player cannot enter the market without leaving footprints. The reversal levels indicator detects and interprets these footprints. Using such levels is a highly effective tool for both intraday and swing trading. When a new strong player enters the market, they absorb the previous player's position, effectively breaking the level created by them and establish a new one. If such levels are formed alongside a trend change, they have the greatest strength and highest probability of execution. To verify this, simply launch the indicator and observe everything in real time. Data about the latest trend remains until the trend changes and does not repaint. In some cases, more time is required for the terminal to load higher timeframe data for indicator analysis. This depends on internet speed and the amount of historical data. For efficient use, we recommend increasing the number of bars displayed in the terminal settings and switching instruments across different timeframes to load data. This is especially important when running the indicator on a fresh terminal that has not yet received updated quotes. With systematic use, the indicator's performance speed noticeably improves. Main features of RL Core. The indicator panel can be hidden or displayed using the Z key on the keyboard. RLG button. First entry. Pressing RLG, global reversal level, enables global levels on the current time frame. The indicator detects the entry of a major player who has changed the global trend direction and displays key entry zones as trading levels on the chart. When price corrects back to the detected level, the indicator draws a potential trade setup. A global trend change can be tracked using the MBS trend flow indicator. Combining both indicators enables a systematic trading approach. The stop-loss zone is drawn when price touches a key level and extends to the point where price would invalidate the trend. The stop-loss is dynamic and may shrink when more favorable levels are activated or when a change in the major player's position is detected. The take-profit zone depends on the stop-loss zone and may also shrink if a more favorable entry point is identified. The indicator displays the potential of a possible trade. Take profit 1, price level where closing the main portion of the position is recommended. Take profit 2, price level where the probability of correction is very high. After a successful first entry execution, the indicator will show second and subsequent entries of the major player in the trend direction. Each new entry is analyzed similarly to the first but has lower potential. RLL button. First entry. Defines reversal local level. Local trend changes can be tracked using the MBS trend scanner indicator. Combining both indicators enables a systematic trading approach. The logic for drawing stop-loss and take-profit zones remains the same as with the RLG button. The difference is that local trend changes are shorter term and contain more manipulation than global ones. Local trend reversals may simply be corrections within the global trend and are recommended for experienced traders. MTF1 button. Multi-time frame mode. When a level is found on a higher time frame, it is more advantageous to search for an entry on a lower time frame. This approach helps avoid most losing trades and significantly increases the win rate. For example, consider a level identified on the 1-hour chart viewed on the 5 and minute chart. Once activated, the 1-hour level immediately appears on the 5 and minute chart. On the working 5 or minute time frame, the MTF1 level will be displayed. If the current time frame trend matches MTF1, the level will be filled. If the trends differ, the level fill will pause. This helps avoid dangerous counter-trend entries. When trends align again, the level fill resumes. MTF2 button. Additional multi-time frame mode. An additional time frame can serve as confirmation for entering a trade when MTF1 and MTF2 directions match. If they differ, it signals potential danger in opening a trade. Logic button. Logical entry point. A logical entry point appears as a yellow arrow when price corrects to a level. This marks the area where traders can begin searching for an entry. For effective entry search, we recommend using the MBS trend flow indicator. For automatic risk and position size calculation, as well as order visualization, we recommend the MBS trade panel. Using all three tools together enables implementation of an effective trading algorithm. Free training on the trading strategy is available via the links in the description. Scanner button. Market scanner. The scanner is performance intensive. For effective use, market data should be regularly updated. If you frequently switch timeframes, this happens automatically. On first launch, the scanner may require additional time to analyze and generate a report. Please be patient. The scanner operates on the current lower time frame and gathers information about high-probability setups from higher timeframes in real time. It sends notifications about new events. On first launch, there may be many alerts, and some may not be relevant. Wait for notifications about new trading events. The number of instruments scanned can be adjusted in the indicator settings. The top scanner panel includes Active section, list of instruments fully or partially ready for trading, sorted from the most recent and significant to less important. Instruments are taken from the Market Watch window in the terminal in order. Primary timeframe button defines the main timeframe for scanning and can be changed. This timeframe determines the core scanning logic. The column displays the reversal level number and direction. The higher the number, the lower the level's effectiveness. Logic column shows the presence and activation status of logic. Alerts for new logic activation can be enabled via the bell icon. RB column displays the percentage of price retracement or distance traveled from the last level. A value close to 0 represents the most favorable and safest entry point. Clicking RB next to an instrument pins it to the top of the list. Clicking again unpins it. Additional timeframe columns allow adding extra timeframes for scanning. When multiple timeframes show aligned levels, this represents the most favorable trading conditions. Completed block displays executed levels. The more instruments selected and the more timeframes analyzed, the slower your computer may perform. Clicking an instrument in the scanner switches the terminal window to that instrument. Clicking while holding Control switches all terminal windows to the selected instrument. Download the indicator for free via the link below the video and verify its effectiveness right now. Use our tools to enhance your own trading system. To receive free training and a complete turnkey trading algorithm, contact us via the links in the description. Subscribe so you don't miss important news and updates. Please leave a reaction and write your comment. It motivates us to create even more valuable content.